to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very refreshing lemonade. Yes, it's a dragon fruit carrot lemonade that I know you guys are going to love, and it's perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. A pinch of salt, granulated sugar, carrots, organic lemons, a dragon fruit, water, and ice. This is everything we need to make this delicious and refreshing lemonade. Of course, at home, because when you make your lemonades at home, you know something, they come out amazing. So let's get started. I'm going to start by making my simple syrup. I added some water, and let's go to the stove and start making the simple syrup. You can see the sugar on the bottom. A couple minutes later, it gets nice and cloudy. But when it gets really clear just like that, that means your simple syrup is completely done. So let's take it off the heat. And now I have my lemons here. And I want to show you, these are organic lemons from my garden. I have the dragon fruit here. And of course, I have the carrots. I have the 3 items I need for this delicious dragon fruit lemonade. Well, you know something? I am ready to take it to the sink, and let's rinse them completely. One by one until we are completely done. And to tell you the truth, it really doesn't take too long. But this part you cannot miss. You need to rinse it very well. Okay, this is completely done, and I want to start first with my lemons. I want to show you that the lemons are small, but you know something? They have no seeds and they have a lot of juice. I'm going to go ahead and start slicing them and getting all the delicious and amazing juice from them. Okay, let me get all the delicious juice. And of course, that I'm not going to leave anything behind. I'm going to go ahead and use the pulp of the juice too. I'm not going to put it through a sifter. I'm going to use it just like that. Of course, that if it had seeds, I would put it through a sifter. But you know something? I don't mind having the little pulp of the lemon in here. Look at this. My mouth is already watering. This is completely done. I'm going to put it aside. I have my blender cup here. I'm going to add my carrots, enough water so I could blend it completely. And I'm going to blend it for just a couple minutes, making sure that everything is nice and incorporated. And it really doesn't take too long. And now I am ready to put it through a sifter. I want to make sure that in the lemonade I have no pulp of the carrot. So I'm going to go ahead, put it through a sifter, and just get and obtain all the delicious juice of the carrot. You know, sometimes it's so difficult for the kids to have their veggies. Well, this is a perfect way for them to eat their veggies. Well, now here I'm going to reserve. I'm going to put this aside. I'm going to start adding the lemon of the juice. I'm going to add the pinch of salt. The pinch of salt is very important because it's going to bring up the delicious flavors. I'm adding my simple syrup. Remember that the simple syrup is to taste. And now let me taste and see if I need to add a little more simple syrup. But you know something? This is perfect. I want to show you that you could see the little pieces of the pulp of the lemon. If you don't want them, then put the juice through the sifter. I have my dragon fruit here, and I am ready to slice it through the center and see and reveal this delicious and amazing fruit. Look at this. You could see the pulp from the inside. You could see all the seeds. It's really so delicious that you guys need to try it. You need to make it at home, especially in this delicious and amazing dragon fruit carrot lemonade. You guys are going to love it. I'm going to go ahead and just slice it and make sure that I get very tiny little pieces of the dragon fruit. And I'm going to help myself with the spoon, spooning it a little bit at a time so I get those little and tiny little squares. Just like that. Look at this. Of course, I'm going to do it a little bit at a time because I want to make sure that the pieces are very small. Once I'm completely done, look at this. I didn't leave anything behind. And this is just the skin of the dragon fruit. This just looks amazing. I could eat it just like that. Well, now I am ready to start preparing my lemonade. I have my pitcher here and I'm adding some ice. I'm going to add ice and then a couple tablespoons of the dragon fruit and then a little bit more ice and so on until I am completely done. This lemonade, it's just amazing. It's refreshing. It's perfect for summer. And look at this. The color is amazing. I know you guys are going to love it and your family is really going to enjoy this delicious lemonade. I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to taste and enjoy this lemonade. So see you in a bit. With this delicious and amazing dragon fruit carrot lemonade. You know something? This lemonade is perfect for this hot weather, and I'm sure that once you try it, well, you're gonna fall in love with this delicious lemonade. But let me stop talking and let me taste it, because this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. You know something? The combination of the dragon fruit and the carrot, just amazing. This lemonade is perfect for this hot weather. And the little pieces of the dragon fruit, when you drink this lemonade, you could feel those little pieces and they're just amazing. I hope, my friends, you give it a try, make it at home, and enjoy it like I enjoyed here with my family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, Leave it activated so every time I make a delicious and amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay refreshing myself with this delicious dragon fruit carrot lemonade. See you on my next delicious recipe. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon, my friends. Bye-bye.